Hey, how's everybody doing? I hope you like the intro. I'm going to be teaching you the Bertram change right now. To do the Bertram change, you need to know how to do a double lift. I do the Stuart Gordon because it leaves me in a perfect position to execute the change. It puts me in that position that I need. But if you are going to do a soft double or whatever double you want, then you'd have to do this little move right here to get it into position. So it's like an extra step. If you do the Stuart Gordon, you can go right into it. Just like that. You do the double lift, and then you are going to place it along your fingers like this and pinch it so that the thumb is going to be pinching the card up against the deck. This finger is going to be right here for support, so it keeps it nice and square, and these bottom fingers are just going to be resting there, holding it. So do the double lift, you bring it into position, and then you are in this position right here. Now from here, these fingers, right, are going to go under the two cards and steal out that bottom card, just like that. Now it's not a lot of pressure. You don't need to force it. It's just something that just comes right out, just like that. And then you're going to go into 10 kai. So whenever it happens all fast, it really hides the fact that you're stealing a card off. And then from here, the 10 kai, you're going to bring the card up. And then there's a bit of things happening here. So if you let go of the thumb with this card, it would just fall. It would fall off. You need to hold it with that thumb. So whenever you bring this up, you are going to change pressures. These fingers that are under here, these fingers are going to put pressure up against this part of the palm. So it's being pinched like that, right? But it's like that. So that allows you to lift up your thumb and grab the red card as well. So now you're in this position, but your hand is covering that, right? Double, put it in position, steal the card, go into 10 kai, bring this card up here, pinch it between the thumb and the deck, and then you're going to take your thumb along this edge and square it, just like that. So boom, steal the card, pinch it, and then square. Pinch, square. One motion, it looks like that. And the angles aren't that sensitive. If somebody is standing directly above you, you can still pull it off like this. It's just kind of weird. You know, you can work with the angles if you know how to hide it. Here's something cool that you can do. You can push it back up and show that the king is still there, and then square it up again real quick. So it's kind of like that, right? Do the change, push it back up, and square it. Change, up, square. And then another little bonus tip that you can do here is the 8 of diamonds, it changed the 8 of diamonds, and if you do this move, which I flashed, but then you switch it back to the king, you say, here, look at it. Steal the card, square it up, and then from here, change it back, which is kind of trippy, you know? The card just keeps on changing and changing. Well, that about sums it up for this video on how to do the Bertram change. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be doing videos every single week. And if you don't know how to do the Bertram change, I would suggest just practicing it with just the two cards until you're ready and capable to do it with the deck. Later, guys.